1-2 Skills Practice Edpuzzle. 9 times 9. Again, there are two bases. They're both the same, so we're going to rewrite this in exponential form as 9 to the second power. There are three bases. They're all identical. 3/8, 3/8, and 3/8. So this is going to be 3/8 to the third. Notice that the fraction goes in parentheses. A times 5 times 5 times A times A. We're going to write the coefficient 5, which has two of them, to the second, and then A to the third. Also note that they're both being multiplied together. 9 times 9 times x times w times x times x. Again, the coefficients go first as 9 to the second times w times x to the third. The powers indicate how many bases there are. Okay, going in reverse. 2 to the third, we're going to evaluate, which is 2 times 2 times 2. There are three bases here, and that would equal 8. 2 to the third times 5 to the second. Remember PEMDAS, you're going to do the exponents first. 2 to the third is 8 times 5 to the second, which is 25. Then we can multiply them together once the exponents are computed to become 200. Again, exponents are first. 2 to the third is 8. 3 to the second is 9. And 8 minus 9 ends up being -1. Now we have a variable, but we have a given statement. So x to the third, where x is equal to 3, we're going to rewrite that as 3 to the third. 3 to the third is 3 times 3 times 3, which ends up being 27. Again, variables, x to the second minus x, where x is equal to 2. We're going to rewrite that as 2 to the second minus 2, because the x is 2. We replace all the x's with 2. 2 to the second is 4. 4 minus 2 ends up being 2.